In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a wiki link. A wiki link in OneNote is a quick way to connect one page to another using simple bracket shortcuts. It helps you jump between related notes without hunting around, and it keeps your notebook organized and easy to navigate. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so it feels natural and reliable every time you do it. First, open OneNote and go to the exact page where you want the link to appear. This is your starting point, the place where the clickable text will live. It could be a project overview, a reading list, or any page where you want to reference another page. Now start typing two opening square brackets. That's left bracket, like this. These brackets tell OneNote you're creating a wiki-style link rather than just typing plain text. Immediately after those brackets, type the name of the page you want to link to. For example, if the page is titled Project Meeting Notes, you would type that title exactly as it appears. Project Meeting Notes. Matching the title precisely helps OneNote find the correct page. If you're not sure of the exact wording, take a moment to check the page title first so you don't accidentally create a duplicate. Once the page name is in, type two closing square brackets, right bracket, so it looks like this. Project Meeting Notes. Those closing brackets complete the link syntax. Finally, press Enter. As soon as you do, OneNote converts that bracketed text into a clickable link. You'll usually see the formatting change slightly, indicating it's active. Click it to jump straight to the linked page. Here are a couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If the page you typed doesn't exist yet, pressing Enter will create a new page with that title, which can be useful when you're planning content and want to fill it in later. If you intended to link to an existing page and a new one appears, it likely means the title didn't match exactly. Adjust the text in the brackets to fix it. Keep your page names consistent and descriptive, so links are easy to remember and recognize. And remember, these links work best within the same notebook. Staying organized by sections and clear page titles helps OneNote resolve links more accurately. That's all there is to it. With a few keystrokes, you've built a fast, intuitive connection between your notes, making your notebook more powerful and easier to navigate.